This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning everyone, this is video number 21 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video we are going to show one more function, text function. This function returns a given value in a specified format. It takes only two arguments. The first argument is a value. Second argument is the format you want to return this value in. For example here, if we have 22 and we want to show it in 4-digit number. First argument is the number itself in cell P3. Second argument is a format between two quotation 4 zeros, which means I want to show this number in 4-digit number. Let's see it in Excel sheet. Here we go. Equal text. The first argument is a value. Second argument is a format between two quotation. Between two quotation, I say 4 zeros. And here we go. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you next one.